Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Hania Ahmed from grade 6. Today I am here to present you this model of an animal cell. Cell is the basic structural unit of life. There are basically two types of cell, animal cell and plant cell. As two major organisms exist on planet Earth, animals and plants. Both animal and plant cells have some similarities and differences. Let me explain them. Here you are seeing the model of an animal cell. In a multicellular organism, cells have many small subunits. These subunits are called organelles. Organelles are very important for cells because they perform various useful tasks. We have shown these organelles in this model. This is cell membrane, the thin semi-permeable membrane which controls the passage of material in or out of the cell. It acts like a sieve and lets some material pass through it and stop others. That's why it is called the semi-permeable membrane. It composed lipids and proteins. It is the outermost covering of an animal cell. Here the yellow material is cytoplasm. The jelly-like transparent material that fills the cell. All chemicals reaction in a cell inside the cytoplasm. Both animal and plant cells contain the cytoplasm. This is the nucleus of the cell. Do you know what is the nucleus? Yes. The nucleus is the central controller and information center of the cell. It controls and supervises all the activities taking place inside the cell. That's why it is called the brain of the cell. It contains many threads like chromosomes which store genetic information about the cell and transfer it to a new cell. It is found in both animal and plant cell. These blue colored organelles are vacuoles. These are tiny membrane and bound organelles store the nutrients, waste and other substances inside them. It is found in both animal and plant cell. However, in plant cell, single vacuole but comparatively large vacuole. In animal cell, many small vacuoles are present. This is the mitochondria of the cell.